Hello students. Now today this is your semester chapter 4 revision video. Okay. See students, both the chapter I covered from this video. Okay. See, from chapter 4 you need to learn the tricky terms over here. See, in the tricky terms, the tables means what is the tables, what are the cells, what are the padding means, then what is cell spacing is. Okay, all the tricky terms are given over here. You need to go through this. Then next one is from chapter 4 you have to revise memory bytes. Okay, see, the memory bytes are given over here. You have to revise this. In this you can able to read this, the HTML tables are used, the which table tags are available over here. See, so many table tags are available over here. Then what is TR, what is TD, what is TH, these all are available in this memory term. Okay, so you have to read this. So, student, again and again I'm telling you, so you have to prepare these tricky terms and memory bytes. So the questions are coming from this only. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, if you don't have any textbook, then you can go through this video. You can easily find the answers. Okay, so after this memory bytes you need to learn the filling the blanks. See, all filling the blanks I had given here. Okay, you have to learn. Now whatever there in this red color, the text is in red color, this is your answer. Okay, first is loop, second is audio tag, third is a video tag, hyperlinks and TR. Okay, table row tag. Okay, then next one, true or false. In this also, whatever given in the red color, this is your answer. Okay, false, true, false, true, false. Please read this all sentence and recognize this answer over here. Okay, next is chapter 4, choose the correct option. See, choose the correct options, the answers are given here. See, these are directly answers, but in your paper, question paper, I will give you the options, 4 options, and you have to select only one option from them there. Okay, so this is the answer. If you have a textbook, then you can see the options in your textbook also. Okay, see here both 1 and 2. But if you don't have a textbook, then also you can go through this video, you can able to find out the answer. Okay, next one, this is all related about your chapter 4. See, what is there in chapter 4? First, tricky terms you have to learn, then memory bytes you have to learn, then filling the blanks you have to learn, then true or false, and last one is the choose the correct option. Okay, now we'll start the 5th chapter. Same from 5th chapter also, tricky terms. Again you have to learn the tricky terms, sample rate. Okay, then clipping, what is the clipping means. Then next you have to learn the memory bytes. Okay, see, read all these bullets points carefully and see the which type of questions I will ask you, like this only. Okay, see, suppose the dash file formats are used in the Audacity. See, I will give you these 3 options, and again the 4th option is all of these, then all of these will your answer. Okay, right, means wave, AIF, MP3, these are your file formats. Okay, see, after this from chapter 5, again these are your memory bytes only. Okay, so many memory bytes are given over here, so you can easily go through this memory bytes. Okay, student, please pause this video and read all the memory bytes, tricky terms, filling the blanks, true or false, and choose the correct option from here. Okay, so questions are coming from this only. Again and again I am telling you this, and please student, take seriously for this semester. Now next one is, you have filling the blanks. See, total 8 filling the blanks are there in your chapter 5. Okay, see here, and whatever there in the red color, this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. All filling the blanks answers are there with you. Okay, then next one is you have true or false. Okay, again the answers are there with you. See, true, false, 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 true, true, false. Okay, all the answers are there with you. Then last one is choose the correct option. Okay, again here I typed only answer. Okay, see, the first question is here, which of the following audio file formats can be opened in Audacity? Okay, see, that's why I'm telling you, you have to learn this memory byte. See, the question is coming from the memory byte. Okay, these three file format, WAV, AIF and MP3. Okay, I'll give you these three options, and the fourth option is what? See, the fourth option is all of this. Okay, so the answer is all of this. Understood? Likewise, you have to learn this all. Okay, this is your answers are available in this all video. Again, this is your fourth and fifth chapter revision video. Okay, this is your fourth chapter, tricky terms, then memory bytes of fourth chapter, then filling the blanks of fourth chapter. After that, true or false of fourth chapter, then choose the correct option of fourth chapter. After this, you have I started the chapter number 5 revision. See, again tricky terms from chapter number 5, then memory bytes from chapter number 5. Again, these are the memory bytes of chapter number 5. Then filling the blanks, chapter number 5, true or false, chapter number 5, and choose the correct option, chapter number 5. Okay, so please go through this video so you will able to understand the question and answers also. Okay, student, please give this all internal assessment and daily assignment seriously. Okay, because all these marks are included in your semester. Okay, unit test also, then daily assignment also, internal assignment also, and main your semester final paper. Okay, please do this seriously and send your internal assignment to for 8th A is to Gayatri Miss, 8th B is also for Gayatri Miss, and 8th C also to the Gayatri Miss. This first 8th standard ABC, you have to send your internal assignment to the Gayatri Miss, and standard D, division D and E, you have to send it to me. Okay, so likewise I will put on your question paper WhatsApp number. I already put Gayatri Miss WhatsApp number and mine WhatsApp number I already put on the your question paper. Okay students, so this much is there in this video, so please go through this revision video and do your paper well. Thank you students, have a nice day and all the best all of you.